Hey guys, welcome back to 247 Tech Talk. I'm back with another review. Reminding you before I start to please like, share, subscribe. It goes a long way to keeping this channel going. This review is a collaboration with Julie Strellemeyer's YouTube channel, so make sure you head over there and like, share, and subscribe as well. This is the Ruko U11MINI 4K pocket aerial drone. Before I open it, let me tell you that I did open it before. I did go inside when I got it. I was excited. So I'll just show you. I put it back in the box so you can see how it comes. This does come in a clear Ziploc bag, this bag. And there's nothing else in there, as you can see. I will open this up. I'll make this unboxing quick. I plan to go to Pennsylvania, Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and I'm supposed to be staying in the Airbnb over a lake, overlooking a lake, so I'd like to take this with me. You see how it comes, the QR quick start where you can scan for tutorial videos, and the manual. Of course, even as an amateur drone flyer, I won't use any of that. I will just wing it so that you can figure out if you can wing it too. In the top here, there's a zip, and I can tell you real quick, you have extra propellers. You have a kit with 2 extra control knobs for here and a screwdriver. And I believe that, and you have the USB-C cables for charging the 2 batteries. I'm going to throw this in there real quick. Like I said, I'm not going to make this a long unboxing. This is the padding. In here you have the drone. I'm going to unfold it. Okay, so you have to do the front legs first and then the back. You have battery. I charge these up before, you see as indicator, just so that I can do this unboxing and you can get some sense of where I'm going with this. You hear it turn on. It's got lights on the front. It's got, let me take off the casing. It's got a light at the bottom too here. I'm not sure why that's not showing up now, but maybe it'll show up when I turn on the controller. The controller has 2 antennas. It's got controls at the bottom. And in here, it's got the 2 knobs that we use to, there you go, right, to, I'm trying to get this, okay, here we go, and I'll take it out. We've got another battery in the case here, let me show you, but I won't, I'll take it off so you can see this. You turn this on, just for you to see the screen comes on. It's this touch screen. You can peel off the cover that comes with it. And that's how it's factored here. It's got a nice screen. It feels good. It feels well made. The controls feel nice and responsive. This has, like I said, this is the entire drone. So my intention now is to go, fly it a bit. I am an amateur flyer, so don't expect anything amazing. Wow, it's pretty hot in the studio today. So there you go, beautiful screen. You might, let me see if an angle, you might be able to see it at an angle, and it says to go fly, and I touch on that. It has like the haptic feedback, voice control, and there you go. And you do a calibration type of thing. It's showing you on the screen like this. I guess that tells it, how to control how your movements are. It does require GPS, but if you look here on the screen, you will see that it's already picking up the camera from the drone, right? I don't know if you can see that on the, I'm going to try to point it different ways. So it did connect to the drone. I'm not sure why you can't see it as well. Oh, the drone is flipped over. As you can see my finger there, so I'm not sure how that turns around or why it's turned upside down at the moment, but there you go. I flipped it open, so now you can see parts of my studio, and I felt it move. It closed itself back. It's like, hey, guy, what are you doing? So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to give it my amateur spin, and for you, it'll just be a second. I'll be right back, and you will get to get my impression of how it worked, and then you will also get some footage from the camera. So stay tuned. For you, it'll just be a split second. I'll be right back with you. Hey guys, so like I promised, I'm back. I had a pretty good time with this drone. I took it to Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, where I stayed at an Airbnb on the lake. That's Pennsylvania, in case I said that with my accent. And I have to tell you, you'll see at the end of this video, there's some footage over the lake. Bear with me if it's not perfect. I am an amateur, but it was pretty awesome. I brought it back home. I did some footage from taking off and landing from my backyard. I love it. I love the screen. I love the responsiveness of the screen. I love the easy connectivity. I love the battery life, which seemed to go on forever, even though I didn't really measure it because I was doing so many landings and taking off, but probably close to 30 minutes. I could be wrong, but it seemed that way. Those are the good things. The footage is great. When you look at the footage at the end of this video, you'll see where I kind of messed up at times as an amateur. These knobs are very sensitive, and I maybe went too fast when panning. And so you will see where sometimes it stutters because the frame rate is changing when you're going so fast, right? Two things that I had issues with. When I say issues, that may be me personally. One is this works with GPS, at least in beginner mode. And all I did was beginner mode. I will confess I did not try advanced mode because I'm not that type of drone pilot as yet. In beginner mode, it goes to a level, a height, and a distance, and it stops. It was good enough for me to get good footage for anything I will want. If I want to hover it low, it works perfectly. It's easy control. So when you see my future videos with my Can-Am Riker and other bikes where I go around the bike to show you the mods I did, this will be the culprit that's taking the video. Excellent quality video, excellent quality in the screen. Screen is touchscreen and responsive. Everything works well. I did try the follow me mode twice. I didn't get to capture it. The first time I tried, it worked. The second time, I couldn't seem to get it to focus on me or select me on the screen. That's my learning curve, I believe. The other thing I think that when it works at GPS mode, could be me, but I don't think so, is that when you hit this button here, return to home, it comes down within 4 or 5 feet of where you are. I'm assuming that the GPS connections with this, so it should come to wherever you are, and it does, but not exactly in your head. So make sure you have some space around you. At one time I came down, hit a tree branch on the way down because it was 4 or 5 feet, and I took off and landed in a small space. That's my amateur capabilities, but amazing drone. This is a keeper, now part of my gear bag. The Ruko U11, you will love everything about it. I'd love to hear other people go out and buy it and try it and tell me what they think. But I am so grateful to Julie's Travel Meyer and her YouTube channel and for Ruko for sending this drone. And so at this point, I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. Normally, I would say 247 Tech Talk out now. But now I'm just going to say I'll see you in the next review because I want you to sit back and relax for the next few minutes and enjoy the footage the best I could do to show you what this drone can do. Catch you in another one. Here we go.